So for the second part, we are asked to sketch a graph. Of y equals to fx for -7 to x less than 10. Okay, so this case here, obviously you need to use your ruler and draw it properly. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use a grid. So here, this is a grid. Now we need -7 to 10. So what I'll suggest is I'm just going to use this part here. -7 to 10. Okay, and this is our function here. One thing you need to take note is your GC can actually sketch a unit function of this graph here. So let me just show y, and this is x here. So it repeats every 4 units, right? Now take note, this is 7 minus x squared. It's actually a set curve. It's a set curve as such. This is 7x squared. So it looks something like that. This is 7. This is a quadratic curve here. Okay. Now I think this is root 7 and this is minus root 7, which is actually, is it more than 2? Root 7. Yeah, it's obviously more than 2 because root 4 is 2. So in other words, 2 would be giving us 3 here. Okay. Then this is a straight line curve. Okay, so this straight line you will know how to sketch. Now what I will suggest is just use your GC, just piece out a unit first and see how does it work. Okay, so it's very important. So this part here, when you just key in, go here, and what we need is actually just press math and just scroll up to piecewise. Once this piecewise, we need 2 pieces, then after which press enter, and we're just going to key in 7 minus x squared, 7 minus x squared. And this part here, we could just put from 0 to 2, so 0. Second test conditions would be, is it inclusive? No, okay. I would suggest just put inclusive so that you can check the boundary there. Oh, so this case here, sorry, I should have placed in the 0 to 2 first. Okay, so 0, second test conditions, 5 to 2. Okay, then 2 to 4, 2x minus 2x, 2x minus 1. There will be 2, second test, 2 to 4. Okay, so this is a unit where graph it looks something like that. So I'm just going to zoom minus -1 to, let's say, 5 and graph it. So it looks something like that. So as you can say, trace. I'm going to trace this. When you press 2, it's 3 actually here. It's just at 3 and this is at 7. So it's going to look like that. Okay, this part here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. And after which you have 2 here. And this is 4. This is 1 unit. So we need 2 to 10, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Then we have got -2, -4, -6, -7. So it's here. Okay, so what we're going to do is just draw this a unit. A unit will be a set face here to 3. Okay, then after which it's just a straight line curve going up like that to 7 as well. Okay, yeah, that's about it. This is a unit, so every 4 units will repeat. So just copy paste this unit here. Just copy paste this unit here, so it will just go down here. Okay, like I said, we have already done this in class, so if you have problem with this, just refer to the portion where we went through piecewise function yeah, in our class notes. So this one here will be like, I think this example is actually in the notes as well. So yeah, this is 1. So just remember to put this as 3. This is 3, 3. So this is 7. Okay. Then what we do is same thing, copy paste this unit here. So this we're gonna copy this part here. Just copy it and just copy this down like that. Realize that this is actually a curve like that. Actually, it's more like a quadratic curve, right? So it's like a flat line and go down. Then this same thing. It's because it's a maximum point there. So, as in, I don't think it matters, but it's good. Okay, great. So then this part here, you obviously will continue from here, but -7. -7. -6, this is -7. -7 will take 1. 1 as a value. So if you look at 1, x equals to 1, that will be 6. Okay, it will be 6. So it's rough 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's roughly here. Okay, so it's 6 here. You go down. -7, 6. Okay, you can get 6 by putting f -7. Then you keep adding by 4. So a multiple of 4 will be 8. Then there will be f1, which is actually 6. Okay, so that's how you do this part here. Yeah, all these are bottom, which is a 3 here. Okay, so that's how you sketch this curve here. Any question at all, please let us know. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next question.